Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can apply different filters to your image or photo on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on gallery. In here, open up the album that you would like to edit the image. And then open up an image. So let me select an image and then we can open it. For example, this one here. And then tap on the edit button at the bottom. Next, tap on the filters tab at the bottom. In here, if you swipe across, you have a different number of filters that you could choose. Now you can also tap on the download button to get more filters. That will basically open up the store, allowing you to download more filters. Now tap on the filters that you would like to apply to your image. So we've got cartoon, vignette, light flare, and so on. You got black and white. Then you got soft, faded, ivory, blossom. So just select one of the filters to apply it on your image and then tap on save. Now if later on you are not happy with that filter, you can tap on the edit button and tap on the revert button at the top to go back to the original image. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.